Hello RC fans, Racing 393 for another box opening. And you'll see the picture behind me is the RC10 GT. The only thing missing from that kit, to be honest, being a Nitro, is the Nitro. And it's here. This is the .15 side exhaust rotary carb. It says on there retro, which you can probably see on that bit there. So I thought we'll do a box opening. So I'm going to do that right now. Exciting. I don't know what to say. There it is. Done. A box opening. Nothing else. No instructions. Nothing. The kit comes with all the bits that goes on this. A brand new Nitro. With no instructions and nothing. That's it. That's the box opening. What more should I say? What can I say? The box looks alright, but it is only a box. Can you see that? I don't even see it. Engine specification, if you need to know what it is. Back a bit. You can pause it there. Age is 14 years and above. Good job, I'm nearly over 4 times that age. I don't know, maybe I'm really 4 times that age. 0.85 horsepower. There you go. That's the box opening. Well, I don't know what else to do. I'm a bit under and overwhelmed. It's nice to have a new engine, don't get me wrong, but there it is. I keep showing the camera, but it goes a bit wrong, doesn't it? It's got an AE sticker on there, look. Anyway, I suppose this will be a short video. Keep an eye out for when we start building it and putting it together. Should be fun. I'll see you on the next one.